Bestop Core Doors? Stay tuned. And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage, and today we are taking a closer look at the Core Doors by Bestop, a factory-style fit and finish half door with a few extra features. Now, one of the first things you'll notice with the Bestop Core Doors is this 3D feature in the center, which gives the doors a little bit more depth over the factory flat panel half doors. The Core Doors feature a locking paddle latch, keys included, factory-style hinges. As we open the Core Doors, you'll notice they have a red nylon strap for your door pull, and then they have a red nylon rip cord to operate the latch to open and close the door. Now for the center panel in here, you'll see these little thumb screws. You can just turn those a quarter turn, and the panel lifts right out. Now we do want to mention again that the Bestop Core Doors do not come with mirrors, but they do take JK style replacement mirrors like these, also offered by Bestop. Now right out of the box, the Bestop Core Doors come with a black textured finish. We had sent ours down to the local paint shop where they stripped them and then color matched them to the chief blue on the rest of this JK. And if color matching is something that interests you for your Core Doors, Bestop has done a video on how to prep your Core Doors for paint. You'll find a link down in the description box below. Now for those of you wanting to run the Core Door year-round, you can order up a set of the Bestop upper doors, which will give you full 4-season drivability without the commitment of a full door. They remove and reinstall in seconds, and if you look at them, they kind of look like the factory upper doors. Well, that's because Bestop is the original equipment manufacturer for the Jeep upper doors. The big difference being is that the fabric on the Core Doors is the upgraded twill, where the fabric on the factory doors is the standard black diamond. There's that old saying, form follows function. And the Bestop Core Doors hit both of those. They work great and they look great. So, are you ready for some half doors for your JK? Well, you know, you'll find a link for these down in the description box below. While you're down there, hit that comment section and let us know. What do you think about the Bestop Core Doors? Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.